Well, welcome to this new video, and today we will create a Notepad app by the help of Chat GPT. So I think you can see my screen, and on this dashboard this is Chat GPT, and so I'm going to write my query. Also you can say I'm going to chat with Chat GPT. So create Notepad app for Windows using Python. I'm going with the Python programming right now. So let's I'm going to hit the enter button and let's see. And also I want to start the timer so that I want to know how much time it is going to take to create Notepad app window using Python. Okay, use a few different libraries and okay, just GUI function for handling open file path is equal to file dialog. Ask open file name. It is okay by creating a method. Great. Save file path for saving the data. You can say whatever we will write in the Notepad app. Open button is equal to tk dot button. Okay, so it is for opening. Command is equal to open file, save button, root. Basic system Notepad app using tkinter. Customize the above code to okay 1 minute. So 46 seconds. So let me check whether it is working fine or not. I'm going to copying this code out, and I have my Visual Studio here. You can see here I have created a notepad.py file. Just I'm going to paste out all the code that I have copied out from there. I'm going to run this program, and here you can see open. Okay, this is the Notepad. I want to save this file so it can open my. It is working perfect. And let me check the code as well. Import tkinter as tk. From tkinter import file dialog. Root is equal to tk file dialog. Open button. Yeah, it is working great. So you can see how much AI is developed right now. So you can see the power of artificial intelligence. If you guys want free NASA certificate, then you can check out this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.